Good day, everyone. My topic is about market fattening hacks. What is fattening or finishing? So, it is the phase starts as piglets leaves the transition phase at between 9 and 14 weeks and ends when the pigs are sent to slaughter, depending on the weight requirements in the marketplace. So, these are the marketable parts of the pigs. So, first part is sirloin, baby back ribs, loin, pork chop, spare ribs, shoulder, leg, rear hock, back, pork belly, and front hock. Management of hogs before slaughter. The meat quality is highly affected by the way is animal handled before slaughter, like the way you feed, giving proper nutrition, and animal care. So, this is necessary to maintain the quality of animal or the meat. Animals for fresh meat retailing and for intact meat processing. So, first is weight. Select 80 to 85 kilograms hogs. It contains the ideal retail and wholesale cuts. So, this weight is the general standard for selling different cuts of the meat. Next is age. Select gilt barrows from 5 to 12 months. Too young gives Too young pigs gives watery meat because it has a low watery holding capacity. Too old have top meat muscles tend to separate during curing. Next is sex. Gilt barrows and young boars younger than 200 days are very good sources of meat for retailing and intact meat processing. Then the last is health. Of course, you have to select healthy hogs. Characteristics of a good quality meat. So this is the class C pigs in terms of the back fat thickness.